Hi, I'm Andre Junin, an aspiring singer-songwriter from Davao City. I started in music when I was in grade 5. My dad, nagpalit siya gitara and then nagpatudlo ko sa akong kuya na pinsan. And then pagka high school, ito na nag-start og songwriting. I am planning to start, I will record my music soon. Maybe this year or next year. My original song and my upcoming EP, hopefully. That's it. If you are an aspiring singer-songwriter and passion in mga music, just keep going and try. And anang audition sa mga sa contest or attend to open mic. I mean, practice means perfect. Ana.